Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list, of course find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and pick this icon in a circle. And as you can see, your device will give you the opportunity to either take a photo, and then after picking this option your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Here we have to decide where we want to complete this action. I will pick the gallery. Here we have to find the photo we would like to use, of course give all the permissions. And here from this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, we can also change the position of this highlighted square. I know that you cannot really see that it is highlighted, but trust me, right here you can see that it is much lighter than the rest of the photo. Basically, thanks to position and the positioning the photo, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. You can also rotate the picture, it's up to you, really just set it like you want to, and tap on done if you're ready. As you can see, the photo will be applied to the circle, and if you're happy with the results, tap on save in the right upper corner, it's important. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You will also be able to see this photo on the contact list, for example, or during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.